So how to use Gogh app. So this is a new viral app, pretty fun. You can find it here. So this is how it's called, Gogh Focus with your avatar. So you can see right now it's in top charts in productivity in US. And the idea of this app that this is kind of like app for focusing, for doing homework, for doing focus work, Pomodoro technique, but in a much more fun way. Originally, this is kind of like I think Japanese app, and the idea is basically you create your virtual avatar, which is basically studying with you. So you create your anime avatar, and then you just, for example, set up your Pomodoro timer, and then just you put your phone near you, and your avatar, your video avatar, kind of is studying with you, and it's kind of moving in the room. Sometimes there is a bed. You can customize your room, and this way you kind of not feeling alone, and you kind of studying with someone, but you're still not distracted because you're not playing this game. You just put it on the lock screen and you just have fun. So for some reason, this approach, this idea took a lot of really nice reviews. Yeah, to be honest, the app itself is quite buggy, so you need to have, I think, some newer iPhones. Yeah, like it crashes a lot, to be honest. So as you can see, like the average rating is 2.7. This is why a lot of people just can't log in. But for me, it works. So I created an account. So here it is. Here is the app. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. So here where people are stuck, it just gets stuck in here. And then, yeah, this app also requires you to download a lot of data. And then eventually this is how it looks like after you created all the accounts and anything. So yeah, you can enable some kind of music with you. You can enable some sounds, and then yeah, you just create your avatar, and this is how it looks like. So this is, I think, the default view. This is the room where you're studying. I don't know. I think this is kind of your avatar, which you're setting up. You can customize your room, add like different posters, different images, whatever you want. In here, you can zoom in, you can move around. You can add some items in here, so you can customize it as you want. You can, of course, customize your avatar, and there is some pets. You can rotate. Rotate avatar. So this is kind of your avatar. And then, for example, you can just start some kind of like a Pomodoro technique, whatever. And then this is how it will look like. Then you will just have kind of like lock screen where you can still see the current time. You can see a Pomodoro timer, but then you can kind of see your avatar on the lock screen, which is kind of hanging out with you. So that's the idea. A lot of people like it. And yeah, then you can just stop it. So, you know, if you just have this like very boring Pomodoro timers, sometimes they're just too boring, and you just have a timer, and then it's like not that much fun. So yeah, here you can then just rotate it back. You can change the pose, and then you're kind of hanging out with this avatar together. And then there are a lot of customizations. You can change camera locations, obviously customize all of these furniture, items, everything. You can just do that. There are a lot of other customizations in the app. And there are guides. Then there are settings. There are music. You can set up day, evening, or night, just depending what you want. And then there are also like public rooms where I guess you can join other people and study together with other avatars. Then you can customize your own avatar and change it. similar as like in Zapato app, some other apps. And then you have just your profile in here where you see some stats. How much did you focus? What's your average focus time? You can add friends in here, I guess. So you can see friends. So you can invite friends in here. So this is your referral link, and that's how you invite friends. And you can see some friend requests. And then you can just study together and focus with avatars together in like room, or there's like digital workspace, as you can see in here. Like there are some digital gardens. So quite cool idea, and kind of fun. So that's the app. Yeah, a lot of customizations. People really like to do some these small customizations, adding specific posters, specific images, hanging together. So this is kind of the idea of the app. If you like Zapato or like virtual apps in that category, this is pretty cool app to try out.